Alright, with the nice weather out today, I decided to put the new tail lamp bezel I have ordered on my Mustang. Here is an example of the new ones. Very shiny, very clean. You can actually see a reflection in them. The ones that are on there now, crap. As you can see, they have what I call cancer, where these bubbles appear and almost like tarnish, but very ugly and nasty. I've actually already half removed this one. Unbolted it from the inside, and has a side-by-side lens cap. Compared to that. So, put those on and see what they look like. Alright, just as a update, these are all the various. On the right side, this is the old tail lamp that was on there. As you can see, the gasket, rubber gasket, is pretty beat up. Here's the brand spanking new one. Probably doesn't look very different to you guys, but very shiny compared to the old one. Alright, so put that on, and here's what it looks like bare compared to that one, which is too off, so it doesn't look that different. Alright, so got the first one on here, and man, it looks great. The bubbles looks 10 times better. Working on the second one now, getting those new bezels on. See what happens. So the light winding down, I finally finished, and they look great. Nice and shiny. Well, much better compared to the old ones over there. Next thing I noticed I got to do is this bumper. This bumper is pretty bad. Rust. I'm going to see if I can try and put the new power steering pump on to stop it from leaking, but see what happens with that. Thanks for watching.